You may eat clean, take supplements, drink your water, even get enough sleep. But there's one tiny thing, a trace mineral, that your body may be missing entirely. And if it is, the effects are quiet, but devastating. This one deficiency can sabotage your energy, your mood, your sleep, your skin, your hormones, and even your immune system. And barely anyone is talking about it. So if something's been feeling off lately, but you can't explain why, this might be your answer. But before we get into it, tap subscribe if you want weekly health secrets that go deeper than mainstream advice. Your body deserves to be understood. Now let's reveal the silent mineral that's likely missing from your life. Magnesium. The master mineral you're probably deficient in. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. It affects your nervous system, blood sugar, brain performance, and even DNA repair. Yet, up to 75% of people are believed to be deficient. And here's the dangerous part. Most people don't even know it. Why? Because magnesium deficiency doesn't scream. It whispers, through symptoms you might brush off every day. 1. You feel wired, but tired. If you're restless at night but can't focus during the day, it's not just stress, it could be your magnesium levels. Magnesium calms your nervous system. It helps regulate melatonin, your sleep hormone. And it keeps cortisol, your stress hormone, under control. Without it, you might feel anxious, irritable, jumpy, or even emotionally numb. That scattered feeling, it's not in your head. It might be in your minerals. 2. You crave chocolate more than usual. Cravings are your body's way of communicating. And guess what food is rich in magnesium? Dark chocolate. So if you're constantly drawn to sweets, especially chocolate, your body might be asking for magnesium. And you've been feeding it sugar instead. A temporary fix, with long-term consequences. Quick pause if this is connecting with you so far, hit subscribe. 3. You have muscle cramps, twitches, or eye spasms. That weird flutter in your eyelid? The calf cramp at 3 a.m. or that tension in your shoulders that never fully goes away. All of these are classic signs of magnesium deficiency. Why? Because magnesium helps muscles relax. 4. Your digestion is sluggish. Magnesium plays a key role in gut motility. It helps move things along smoothly. Low levels can lead to constipation, bloating, and that heavy, stuck feeling. No fiber in the world will fix it if you don't have enough magnesium to back it up. 5. You're always tired, no matter how much you sleep. Magnesium helps create ATP, your body's main energy molecule. Your cells can't make energy efficiently. So even if you're sleeping 8 hours, you may wake up drained. It's not always about getting more sleep. Sometimes it's about giving your body the right tools to use the sleep you already get. 6. You take vitamin D, but it's not working. Here's something most people don't know. Without magnesium, vitamin D stays inactive in your body. So if you're supplementing with D3 but not seeing results, or worse, you're feeling more fatigue, you might be depleting your magnesium even more. These nutrients work together, not in isolation. Here's the wild part. Magnesium used to be abundant in food and water. Processed foods strip minerals out. Tap water is filtered and sterilized. Stress, caffeine, and sugar drain magnesium faster than we can replenish it. It's not that your body is broken. It's that your environment changed, and your body's trying to keep up. So how do you fix it? Start with magnesium-rich foods: spinach, avocados, black beans, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, 85% plus. But in most cases, food alone isn't enough. That's why many people benefit from supplementing with magnesium glycinate, for anxiety and sleep; magnesium citrate, for digestion and regularity; magnesium malate, for energy and muscle pain. Start low, increase slowly. And always check with a healthcare provider. Because the benefits: more calm, better sleep, stronger bones, sharper brain, glowing skin, and deeper energy. All from one tiny mineral your body has been begging for. If this connected dots for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your health isn't built on trends, it's built on the foundations no one talks about. Now you know one of the most important ones, so take the signal and give your body what it's been missing. Would you like the next topic in the same tone and structure?